Hi, I'm Lacy. I'm the executive chef at Pacific Coast Fruit Company, and today we are working with the Beyond Burger. The Beyond Burger is not your average burger. This thing is revolutionary. Everyone's going free these days, gluten-free, soy-free. This burger has it all. It is plant-based, made of pea protein, mung bean, brown rice, but it cooks, looks, and acts just like a beef burger. So 70% of meat eaters are choosing at least one day a week to go meat-free. So this is great to have on your menu for those very reasons. So an obvious way to use the Beyond Burger is in a burger format, and today I'm doing it with sweet onions, tomatoes, and frisee.
Good.
Beyond Meat has another great product that is called Beyond Beef, and it looks, acts, and tastes just like ground beef. Today I've cooked it up with a little bit of taco seasoning, and as you can see, this looks like your standard taco meat. So I've got a Case Farms corn salsa that I'm going to pair it with today. Some really nice corn tortillas. I'm just going to put a little on my tortilla, finish with my sweet corn salsa. And I've got a beautiful street taco ready to eat.